वाओ, ये दाग तो बहुत अच्छा है। Hindustan Unilever's popular brand Surf Excel has turned into a $1 billion brand. Surf Excel posted more than 8,200 crores annual sales during the calendar year 2022. इंडियन पर्सनल केयर सेगमेंट में $1 बिलियन मार्क तक पहुंचने वाली ये फर्स्ट कंपनी बन गई है। According to HUL, despite inflation, the Surf Excel brand expanded 32%, thrice the market growth rate, helped by increasing preferences for the small 10 rupees packs, a price point that now accounts for 40% of its category sales. So Surf Excel के सक्सेस की वजह क्या है? Apart from the HUL management's agility in dealing with any new threats by identifying the issues and coming up with new solutions, a couple of recent factors have played a crucial role in Surf Excel's greater sales. First, inflation and premiumization. HUL has increased prices of its Surf Excel products a number of times, together by double-digit percentage points since late 2021, boosting its overall revenue. Second, preferences for small 10 rupees packs. And third, impactful marketing campaigns. Apart from Surf Excel, HUL की second largest brand Brook Bond है, जिसकी annual sales 5,000 crore rupees की है. HUL, which owns Rin and Sunlight, has a 43% share in India's detergent care market.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.